Today we have a video from EWU Bodycam, and the title of the video is Teen Uses AI to Do the Unthinkable.
Tell the police department search warrant!
Keep your hands up and come outside!
What are you doing? What are you doing?
Who else is in the house?
Son, do you have any idea what this could be about? It's something online or something?
What was it? What email?
It was myuncletouchedmywiener@gmail.com.
These kids.
Following an unthinkable discovery, SWAT descends in overwhelming force on the home of an unsuspecting teenager, quickly exposing his damning secret.
I literally have a shirt in my room that says, "Kill your local pedophile," because I don't like that.
The following is based on official police records, and the footage has never been seen before until now. Please note that all persons charged with a crime are presumed innocent unless and until proven guilty in a court of law. In April 2025, the Ocala Police Department investigated a cyber tip that included 50 media files, allegedly containing child abuse material. After confirming the tip, a detective tracked down the source of the files to the home of 19-year-old David Edgar Joseph Rudder.
Break this up! Knock it out! Give me a good knock in the mouth!
Tell the police department search warrant!
Couple more times, brother.
Tell the police department search warrant!
Put your hands! Come to the front door!
You want me to go?
Front door!
Hold on, open.
Come out, come to the front door. Keep your hands up!
Huh?
Keep your hands up and come outside!
What are you doing? What are you doing?
Department! Give me a debrief.
What are you doing?
Who else is in the house? Who else is in the
My
house?
son!
Come out, come out. Who else is in the house?
No one. It's just...
Any weapons in there?
No.
All right.
What is that? What is going on? Somebody needs
There's
to
a search
tell me.
warrant for your residence, sir.
Huh?
There's a search warrant for
A
your
search
residence.
warrant?
Yes.
Bruh, look like a freak. I ain't gonna lie. Like, this is, come on, man. I get it, you into what you into, this is like I think a rocker's look or something, but come on, man. It look like you got mascara on it. Come on, man. What kind of... This guy look like one of them. Yeah, we gonna see, man. Let's continue, man.
For what?
We'll explain to you in a second, all right?
Yes, it's like immigration or something you see on TV. Is that what this is?
No.
You guys are acting like I was some kind of threat to the country or something.
Cops look normal.
It's officer safety.
Huh?
It's officer safety, okay?
Oh, for safety? You guys act like we're some kind of terrorists. Baby, what the hell is going on?
Well, I'm gonna get swatted.
What's swatting?
An illegal and often dangerous prank. Swatting involves the use of a hoax emergency call to send SWAT teams to the homes of online personalities, like streamers, as a form of harassment. Unfortunately for David, this is no prank.
Do you have any idea what this could be about? Something, something online or something?
Detective Blaine is gonna. Every question you have, she'll have an answer for you, okay?
Well, how about let's get to it?
She's pulling her car up right now. She's gonna get you out of cuffs and talk to you, okay?
Forensic detectives begin locating devices inside the Rudder household to confirm the origin of the child abuse material. Meanwhile, David's father finally learns about the horrifying details of the investigation that led officers to his doorstep.
So I investigate what's called internet crimes against children. And I received a tip that ultimately led me to your residence regarding the possession of what we refer to as child abuse material, also known as child served any child abuse material on any devices inside your home.
No, nothing with child. I mean,
Okay.
I watch. Never been
Sure.
but nothing with kids. I would never do nothing like that.
Ultimately, the initial tip came in from that address with your son's name, date of birth, and like I stated, the child abuse material, those images were coming from your IP address.
What was it? What email?
It was myuncletouchedmywiener@gmail.com.
These kids.
Yeah. And I don't, and you've never seen anything on his device or anything like that was concerning of any nature?
Never. I mean, he sleeps most of the day.
Does he? Okay. Because I'll be honest with you, obviously all of it's bad. This material is all under the age of 9. It's pretty significant. There's a lot of it.
And why would you need, even if he's looking at kitty or something like that, why would you need to roll up with all those cars?
Like
Come on. Oh, nah, Pops. Yeah, this is the wrong. No, this is the wrong. That's the wrong response. Oh, no. Oh, no. That's the wrong response. I was just about to rock with Pops. And I was like, yeah, he probably don't. Pops seem, he seem all right. He seem okay. He don't know what's going on for real. He don't check his son's phone. But you coming with the, no. You worried about how many cars is there? That's what you worried about? Your son is allegedly sick in the head. What is you talking about? Come on, Pops. Don't let me down, man, because this is what you saying, what you talking about right now. Oh man, come on, man. Come on, Pops. Don't do that.
Something like that. Why would you need to roll up with all those cars?
I said, it's our agency protocol. It's what we do.
Can't people put stuff on your, like, people's internet and stuff? I mean, I don't know. It's a mistake.
While his father remains convinced it's all just a misunderstanding, David offers his own explanation for how such material could have ended up on the devices he uses.
What kind of cell phone do you have?
An iPhone.
Is it password protected?
It is.
What is that password?
Do I have to give that to you?
You don't have to give it to me. Kind of like I explained to your dad, ultimately today we're here, we're going to seize all electronic devices. We're going to examine those devices. The longer we're here, the longer it takes to get in, the longer we're here.
I mean,
they're going to crack the phone regardless. So you can either give it up or they're going to crack the phone and they're going to reach out to another company that's going to, and it's going to take a longer time for you to actually get your device back.
I have pictures of myself in them.
Okay.
Naked.
And we're not looking for that.
No, it's just embarrassing.
Ultimately, it's completely up to you.
Okay. It's just
okay.
6 of my phone.
Makes it easier to remember, right?
Yeah.
And I've received actually multiple tips from the National Center for Missing and Exploited Children referring to what we call child abuse material, also known as child. So have you ever seen any of that?
Unfortunately, there's a lot, online.
Okay. Have you seen it on any of your devices?
Yeah.
Okay. Talk to me a little bit about that.
Well, because I go on these sites that have like a lot of videos that aren't allowed to be posted on like regular social media.
Okay.
Whatever the reason may be, and a lot of times that slips through. That includes, I literally have a shirt in my room that says, and this is a little counterintuitive, but it says, "Kill your local pedophile," because I don't like that. It's I work at Spencer's. We sold it there.
You sold the shirt? I'm hoping you meant. Okay.
Yeah.
I was like, not like child abuse material. Okay. Just wanted to clarify.
But yeah, and
okay.
A lot of that is seen online now, and it slips through the cracks easily. It's very prevalent.
So let me ask you this: a Gmail account.
Hell nah, that shit don't slip through no cracks. I don't know what you talking about, man. It do not slip through the cracks. That's you going to look for stuff like that. That's not you logging on Instagram and then all of a sudden that type of stuff pops up. No, that ain't. No. This you going. You just said that you go to sites that are not not your regular social media. So you're going to look for certain things.
You recognize my uncle touched
Is
my
that the
wiener.
stupid one? I knew that was the stupid one. Yeah, that's the one that got hacked. All of a sudden, I couldn't get back into it, so I don't know.
Okay, that's something that a lot of these platforms will do when they locate accounts that are linked to child abuse material. So that could be ultimately why you couldn't get back in. Talk to me about that account being hacked.
A lot of my accounts have been just hacked for no reason.
Okay.
I don't even want to use the word hacked, but compromised, I guess, is the word
Okay.
I want to use. But yeah, no, it happens a lot. I have to make new emails a lot.
Okay. So you don't recall ever searching out this material or having a conversation with someone and someone sharing it with you?
No.
Some of our tips included reverse image searches using the Bing reverse search engine from this residence. So
If I've ever reverse searched anything,
Here you come with a lie.
it would have been like, I don't know, of myself to see if I was on Google. Half the time reverse image searches don't work for me.
Okay.
I've tried it.
Yeah. So you don't recall ever taking an image of child abuse material and putting it into Bing to try to locate
No.
images or anything like that? Okay.
So, will we be here until the whole thing's done?
Pretty much, yes, sir. Yeah. We take these investigations very seriously because they deal with the exploitation of children, because all this material is somebody's real baby somewhere, and it comes from somewhere.
As David continues to deny the evidence presented to him by the detective, the forensics team on site begins examining all the devices recovered from the Rudder home. David and his father, seated on the street in full view of their neighborhood, slowly come to terms with a reality they've been trying to ignore.
What's the procedure afterwards?
So if we locate any child abuse material, depending on whose device it's located on, that individual obviously will be placed under arrest.
What's the usual thing that happens? I'm just trying. I mean, he obviously needs to get some therapy or something
Sure.
like that. He's not violent. He's never been in
Right.
trouble before.
And a lot of
he's, I'm just asking, why would you even do this? He didn't even know. Just curious.
Yeah.
Kids.
While David's father claims he's never been in trouble before, the teen has had a few brushes with the law, the most recent being a petty theft charge following a shoplifting incident at a Walmart. His father doesn't appear to believe that today's situation is much more serious.
Well, I know people who've gotten registered a sex offender for grabbing someone's butt. And unfortunately, and you know what? Here's a kicker. I see that stuff. And when I was in high school, we had it was like a big game. Like kids would run around, the girls would grab the boys' butt, and the boys would grab the girls' butt. Now,
Yeah, you can't do that.
it's taboo. You do that now. It's one thing to have, something on your computer because you were curious and you made a stupid mistake, between knowingly doing it and sending it out, or being the cause of it, or being involved in it. It's a bigger thing now because, now you got all these cartels and trafficking kids. That's probably why SWAT pulls up here, right? Hey, you're 19 years old and you made a mistake.
Bruh, he oh. Your son is sick, man. This is not a mistake. Come on, Pops. What you talking about, man? It seems like Pops is just brushing it like as if this is not a big deal. Your son is going to search for that type of stuff. That's a big deal. That's a big deal. That's not nothing small. That's a big deal. You made a mistake. He's never been in trouble. Meanwhile, he been stealing stuff. Neighborhood look decent, look like, what you doing stealing? Oh man. Pops, you gotta get it together, man. We need some tough love right here. Not that, it was just a mistake. It was la la la. Like, no.
If you need therapy, you get into therapy. That's That's probably what they're going to have you do anyway, I would guess. He's worried about getting in fights and being attacked or something like that.
You going to jail.
They said, you know, the jail setting is completely different than what you see on TV and all that stuff.
As David and his father ponder his fate, the forensic team manages to locate 20 videos containing child abuse material on a phone recovered from David's room. The discovery makes it harder for either of them to claim he accidentally downloaded the material.
So I can tell you from looking at it, it wasn't where he was spammed or it was sent to him. It was accessed by him, reviewed
No,
by him.
he
and
told me
saved by
that
him.
it popped up on the dark web, and then he clicked on it and started looking at it. He said he don't even know why he did.
Well, I can tell you from the volume and the different time frames that it was viewed and collected, it wasn't a one-time thing. So there's an issue here.
Dad, can I give you a hug before I go? I don't know.
I love you too. I don't ever change. All right. I'll talk to you soon.
Following his arrest, David was charged with 20 counts of possession of child. He pled not guilty and was allowed out on bond on the condition that he refrained from unsupervised contact with anyone under the age of 18. Had he refrained from committing any new crimes before his trial, David would have stayed out on bond. Unfortunately, meeting these conditions would prove to be difficult for him.
This is the Marion County Sheriff's Office. We have a search warrant for the residents. Come to the front door with your hands up.
In November 2025,
They boomed his house again? Nah, no way. They boomed his house a second time?
5 detectives began tracking over 250 images and videos containing child abuse material, including AI-generated content involving child actors and animals, linked to David's IP address. They also made contact with the father of a 13-year-old girl who expressed concern over David's interactions with her.
No way.
Come out. Hold on.
SWAT units descended on the Rudder residence once again and collected several devices, including a phone hidden in a bag of cat food in the garage. They soon learned that while out on bond, David had amassed a collection of child abuse material that included videos of the 13-year-old girl generated using her Facebook profile picture, a questionable number of produced videos of young girls, and printed photos of children and babies.
Come out.
This is the Sheriff's Office. Come to the front door with your hands up.
Come out.
This is some sick shit.
Sir, step back. Somebody.
Since he violated the conditions of his pretrial release from his previous arrest, David's bond was revoked. Alongside the original 20 charges, David was charged with an additional 5 counts of possession of child, as well as 13 counts of possession of 10 or more child images. Though he admitted to possessing child abuse material, David pled not guilty once again. This time, he was denied a pretrial release on bond. According to an official release from the Marion County Sheriff's Office, due to the nature and volume of the material found in David's possession, police have reason to suspect that he may have had access to live victims, indicating he potentially produced some of the content himself. He remains in custody awaiting trial, and the investigation is ongoing.
This is some sick shit here, man. This is sick. And his dad is just like, yes, that's your son doing this. That's your son. He gets in trouble, gets out on bond, and does it again. Good luck in prison. Those charges, good luck. If you would like to support the channel, make sure you like, subscribe, and comment. Also, hype the video. YouTube has a new feature where you can hype the video. Helps it gets pushed out into the algorithm. Those are all free things to do. If you're looking for some paid options, you can also send a super thanks, super sticker, or look in the description for our YouTube membership and our Patreon link. And I'll catch you in the next video. Thank you. Your support is greatly appreciated.